Oh my gosh. So this year's Pantone color of the year is ultraviolet, and that caught my attention because purple is my favorite color. And so I was like, you know what? How about we do a purple themed, ultraviolet themed Valentine's Day look. And so this is my full glam look, and I'm thinking about doing a soft glam for those of us who want to keep it low key, because that's fine. But keep watching to see me use some of my favorite products and some new purple themed products from NYX, which are completely royally beautiful. Keep watching, guys. Leave some feedback below, comment, subscribe, give suggestions of content you want to see. Thank you for those of you who are supporting me. Love y'all. Let's go. So I have already toned with Witch Hazel and I moisturized. And now I'm just going to start with my brows by going in with this Brow Wiz pencil by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Soft Brown. And I'm going to gently fill in some of the places that are sparse and kind of line the outer edges of my brows. Then go in with the Dip Brow Pomade, again from Anastasia in dark brown. Now it's important to blend this out so that your eyebrows don't look thick. And then of course, I have to go in with this 24-hour brow setter from Benefit Cosmetics. Next, I'm going to conceal with this NYX Gotcha Covered Concealer in Golden. And I'm going to carefully line the underneath of my brows and on top of my brows to get the shape that I desire. I'm going to go in with this multi-purpose brush from Sephora, which I love, and I just pretty much use it for buffing out any excess product that I might have, whether it be concealer or foundation. Then I'm going to go in with some setting powder and just make sure I blend out and smooth out any leftover concealer. Of course, I want to prep my lids with this eyeshadow primer by Urban Decay, and I'm going to go in with this NYX Ultimate palette. I'm going to use this mauvey brown color as my base. Then I'm going to use my Shany Cosmetics color, and I'm going to go in with like this hot fuchsia-y purpley pink color. And just kind of rub it out and blend it out on the base of my lids as well. I'm going to go in again with that natural toned brush that I used with the same powder on it and blend that out. And then I'm going to get my lids prepped for some high pigmented color by using this LA Girl concealer. And I'm going to go in with this other NYX Ultimate palette that I have. I'm going to use this Ultra Poppin' Purple on top of my lids. Now, I think I got this palette when it first came out, so I don't know if the consistency has changed, but I really had to pack on the color a couple times before I got the shade that I really wanted. It came out kind of blotchy. Then I made sure to go in with this mini contour brush and just blend out, blend out, blend out, and smudge out the color along my creases and add some color on my waterline or lower lash line. Next, I'm going to go in with this Love You So Mochi palette, the Sleek and Chic version. And I'm going to go with the other side of the brush, wet it a little bit, and I'm going to use this purple shade in the middle of my lid. Now, this palette was just yummy, yummy, yummy. Like, as soon as you touch it, the color would come off on your finger. I could definitely tell the difference between this consistency of this product versus the old palette that I have. And I'm just loving the high shine. I'm going to use this pinky shimmery color and go into the middle of that purple color now and add some dimension. Honestly, I feel like the camera didn't even pick up everything that I wanted it to pick up because this color was just popping on my lids. I am going to go line the lower lash line with this e.l.f. Eyeliner, and then now I'm going to test out this holographic cream eyeliner from NYX, again in Cotton Candy, and it's a beautiful lavender color. How I feel about the eyeliner, not so sure. It's very creamy, but I wouldn't say it's highly pigmented. As you can see there, it's not really coming up as much on the dark color. However, I could probably use it as more of like a glossy lid color. So I decided to go in with this actual packed eyeshadow and go on top of the cream eyeliner to make it pop some more. Then I'm going to go in with this Intense Ink eyeliner from e.l.f. and this is in the color Black Navy. As you can see, it's kind of dark blue there. And then I'm going to go in with this Sephora black eyeliner for the wing. I think I got both of them looking pretty decent. Still practicing. I'm going with this Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer, and the feeling of this on my skin was just yummy. You can see that I came out really pale, but that doesn't matter because it's not going to show. But the feeling felt amazing, just very soft and velvety. Next, I'm going to check these spots on my face with the LA Girl color corrector, the orange. And I'm going to go under my eyes just in case a little bit of that purple dark shadow fell underneath. And I'm going to blend it out. Next, we're going to try this NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and my color is Cadiz, C-A-D-I-Z. And as you can see, I did not use much, one pump, and this foundation just spread out really nicely. So I can tell that it's going to be worth my money in the end, and it won't finish in just a month. Now, as you know, my forehead is a lot darker than the rest of my face, and so I don't even really go into my scalp line when I'm putting foundation on. I wait till it's time to contour. And I'm going to use this contouring palette from NYX, and I'm going to use that lighter shade to highlight, which doesn't really show up on camera, but it's definitely a different shade than my foundation. And then I'm going to use the darker color from that same palette and sculpt the top by my hairline where you see it matches more near to my scalp. And I'm going to go along my cheeks, along my nose, and my jawline. And of course, it's important to blend it out. And this palette is, I believe, the medium palette. Next, I'm going to reset my concealer to make sure there are no creases right before I bake. And I'm going to bake with this banana powder from Makeup Revolution. And it's my first time trying it, so we'll see after a couple of tries how I feel about it. While I'm baking, I'm just going to touch up my eyes to make sure anything that got touched by any foundation or concealer gets refilled. And I go in with this small brush to ease out my creases. Then I'm going to use that gold shimmer color from the Love You So Mochi palette and go to the corners, inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. And then later on, I'm going to further highlight my face with that color, which is so beautiful. So I'm going to use this angled brush to dust off any excess powder. And I'm going to use this blush palette from e.l.f. and I'm going to use this light pink color because I don't really like to go too much with the blush. And I'm going to lightly dust my cheeks and kind of under my eyes, which I got from Bretman Rock. Then, as I said, I'm going to highlight with that same gold powder that I used in the corners of my eyes. And now I'm going to mix this NYX Lingerie Lip in Teddy and the Soft Matte Lip color in Vancouver. And while the Vancouver dries, I'm going to go in with my double stacked mascara, which you know is my favorite because I am not a false lash kind of girl, so I need a mascara that's going to give me a similar effect. But I'm thinking with these high glam looks, I might need to figure out how to get into lashes. I just don't know, guys. So now that it's dried, I'm going to go in with the Teddy color from the NYX Liquid Lingerie. And it's going to give me kind of a mauve, dusty purple kind of feel. And this is if you want to go with a darker lip with the bold eyes. Again, touching up the inner middle of my lid. A little mascara on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to spray with this oil control setting spray from Urban Decay. And while it's wet and setting, I'm going to add just a little hint of that purple NYX eyeshadow that I showed you, that lavender whimsical one, just to give a little dimension to my cheek. Then I decided to get a little fancy and add some color to my strands. So if you want, you could do that too, or not. And this is pretty much my finished look, guys, but keep watching because I'm going to show you some different lip colors that you can try with this look. Again, I'm not a professional, but I am practicing and I can see myself getting better and better. So come with me on this journey, guys. I think I've taken all the pictures I could take with that. Now we're gonna add some of this unicorn blood. This is gonna be really interesting. Ooh. Just a taste, I think, is enough. And you could even go with like a nuder lip, more nude lip, if this is too like gothic for you. I'm sorry, I just had to show you guys this more nude look if you didn't want to do too much of the purple still on the lip. And so what I did was I left just a tiny bit of residue from Vancouver when I wiped it off with my makeup wipes, like tiny bit, like a stain, okay? And then I put this NYX whipped little lip slash blush thing on, and then I went in with a dark, really dark pencil. This is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Downtown Beauty, and it's really dark, and I just went around my lips. So you could go full glam with the unicorn blood, or you could take it down like this and still be cute. Okay, so I hope you guys like this. I'm really, really proud of myself because like I'm trying to get better and better at the eyeshadow thing. So I did practice before I did this video, and I'm so glad with how it turned out. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I didn't get to use all the products that I really wanted to use because otherwise I would have like really turned out looking like a full-blown unicorn. But I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that I picked up as a bonus. This is the NYX Bright Idea. I guess it's like an illuminator stick. Yeah, illuminating stick, and this is in the color Lavender Lust. I'm gonna put it on my hand just so you can see what it looks like. So that would have been like, whoa girl, where you going? So yeah, it's pretty. I also got this duochromatic lip gloss, which is pretty much just as intense as the unicorn blood. And I'm gonna show you. Like it's just as like prismatic, if that's a word. Okay, like, yeah. So maybe if I do like a soft glam look with the eyes, then I can do something a little bit more bold with the lip. I could do something a little bit more bold with the lip. So I'm glad that I got to really do this look for you guys. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking now, okay? Because people are gonna comment below, she stops talking at la la la. Okay, bye, thanks for watching. Oh my gosh. I keep coming back to this because I just really love this look. I'm sorry. Okay. You guys come here often? Not really, because I need to build my subscribers. Keep coming back. Okay, tell your friends. Hi students, I know y'all watching me. Go do your homework.